know, him can't fool me. You see, just like how top banks did up on TikTok, I tricky people them and I robby people them. Yeah, I me solve top banks case. What a way Zozo up on your mind every day. I know every day the man is a fucking con artist. None of you would know Zozo if I never for Brittany. Him should use the girl. The man is a ass con artist. Him should use the girl. If him no want Brittany, he should leave the girl alone. You, yo. Cause see it there? How you think Brittany are gonna feel when she see this? You think Brittany wouldn't like this? Let me ask you. Which woman wouldn't like this? What kind of fans? You think people don't? Yo, no go from here, man. The man a real effort youth. Cause Brittany sick in the hospital and him find time for a kin off him teeth with white girl. And that's why AIDS pack him up here, so you know. Yeah, man, and that's why AIDS full up Jamaica, so. What are they doing though there in KFC? I don't understand. No, sir, you love. I not bring down nobody. You don't have nothing for chat say because what? Show me the attack are facts. What you can say now? None of you can say nothing to me. None of you, all of you fi go. Move up and go, man. Come off of this. When time me did attack say, the man a gigolo. What you say? Oh, me bad mind and me fi stop tell lie. See blood clean truth ya. See the truth ya. Tell me say me a tell lie now. Tell me say me a tell lie now. Me want one of you come here so come tell me say me a tell lie. Move up, man, and go from here, so man. The man rape Brittany, and him know that. Zozo don't rape Brittany. Cause no man we have them woman now go do this, and know say yo, them woman now go frowns. The man don't rape the catty youth. The man married to white girl long time, bro G. You think say a joke? Zozo them married long time. Zozo them a gigolo long time. The man here a hustle white girl long time. Like your mother, unruly. Me too enough. Just like your mama. You know for there, so man. Move up, man. Me telling you say, yo, the truth are gonna come out. And when the truth come out, me I go dead. Alright, Zozo say Brittany come out today, Monday. Where Brittany there? Me telling you say nobody don't know when Brittany come out. Zozo say Brittany come out today. Where Brittany there now? Ask Zozo where Brittany there. A 40 days and 40 nights, Zozo. You don't know the fire where you start. I rang somebody you this. Me did I hold back certain things? No, me not hold back nothing. Me I let out everything. The cat is out of the bag. Simple. Simple and easy. The dog shit them shame so they can't come back over Real Talk program, come chat up them mouth. Them shame. Uno shame and una go shame again and again and again cause Real Talk program now upset from TikTok and Real Talk program now stop talking truth. So now that me been a tell the people and my friends say yo the boy I use the girl and that style. Everybody I talk about say, yo, Zozo love Brittany, Zozo love Brittany, Zozo was the only one there. Which part? And catch up yourself with white, I'm girl this. And hear the style where the boy drop. The boy put one caption up there for make for distract the people them. You understand? He don't want nobody to praise him woman or him gonna fool back around white woman. The man being a gigolo, the man have to do him job. That have to him thing. The man been a gigolo. Use her, exploit her. Zin, use her popularity, use her fame. You understand? Grow on her. Pretend like him love her. For people buy into it and for people start support him. Because him knows that people at that time a lot of people sorry for Brittany. So automatically them are going to see him as a hero. Automatically they are going to worship him and say, oh Zozo, you're only one there for 2 weeks. Yes, it makes a lot of sense. Zozo was the only one there for 2 weeks. Anyway, views, money, clout, thank you. Let me teach them something to Shan. Shan the one. You see on TikTok, you see once you have views, you are going to make money. Once you start get the people them attention, automatically you're going to be making money. Cause you have some people on TikTok will love to be seen. So when they see say 1,000, 3,000 somebody there on your live, you notice see them the time you see them start gift, it's because they want to be seen. They want to be seen. They want to stand out. So once you have views, once you have clout, you will make money. That's how it goes on TikTok. More where you get that. Nobody never knows Zozo on TikTok. Zozo, nobody never know who the hell is this person on TikTok. Stop fool yourself. Stop trick yourself. Stop trick yourself. Nobody never know him. Brittany boss Zozo. Me talk that. Brittany boss World Dog on TikTok. Brittany boss many of them. Swissley and the whole of them. Miss Triple and the whole of them. Don't make me start call name. The whole of them they go catch up. Gold God. Lincoln Tree. That the whole of them. Who got Nicki Minaj to come on TikTok? Brittany Goffe. Nobody else but Brittany Goffe. Nobody but Brittany Goffe, bro. Giving the clout, I am speaking the truth. I don't let me tell you something. Clout never put on a pot for fire for me yet. So who want the clout can take it and go yam it if it can yam. Clout can't do nothing. Me we have 1,000,000 people for my life and take up a random person put for my life. Clout can't yam. Let me tell you that. So me now go through me see couple thousand people, me turn idiot. No. Me remain me. Me not change. Nothing not change. So me no business about who want get clout or who me I get clout. I stand for the truth and that's the only thing that really matters to me. I speak the truth. That is my content on TikTok. I speak what you are afraid to speak. And that make me stand out. And that make me different. Why you don't talk about all of them now? Me I speak about everybody where use Brittany. All of them use Brittany. Just like how Zozo use Brittany. See the Zozo now we should have done now. I try get to Brittany. If I try get something for she eat. Or try something a white woman him gonna par with. Zozo no give a shit about Brittany man. Let me tell you now that. Which part World Dog the app before Brittany? Me see the screen recording with World Dog and fi itch up from Brittany. For Brittany 20,000 people go over to Fame Live and start support him. 3/4 of people them where they have a support them right now. Are people where did a support Brittany. Are people where them corrupt them against Brittany. Let me talk it truth as it is. I people them. Let me tell you that. Oh, we must reach out to him when you saw. Bro G, let me tell you. Brittany is a loner. Brittany not have no friend. Brittany not no man. Brittany not no fam. Brittany is a loner. Let me tell you that. Brittany get the shitty end of the stick. I can tell you that. Brittany get the shitty end of the stick. Man treat her F up. Everybody treat the girl F up. You understand? Me I give him clout and don't realize. Oh you mean give them a clout? Give them the rope, make them hang themselves. Now we'll see how long the clout are gonna last. A Zozo job that cause see them catch him now. Him never know a 20 day, let me tell you man. A 40 day and 40 night man. A morning again a beating for Zozo man. And in a evening again a beating for Zozo man. And me with any live and restart it again and a beating again for him man. Let me tell you that. So if him want me be a pestilent, I can. Trust me. If him want me be a pest, I can. Bro G, this way you do, you better delete your video. A matter of fact, me go download it off of your page and me I go repost it. So you see, when time you believe say nobody now go remember, a lot of people is going to remember. Let me tell you that. A lot of people is going to remember. This nigga here is a user. Don't talk what you don't know. That is Cassie. That a man white girl, cause the man a gigolo. Where you meet up with blowout gifters? Which gifter can tell me say me fi meet up with them? Female gifter. Me